Hello, this is Vik. In this video, we'll see installing themes in WordPress. I can install themes by clicking on this Add New Theme button. Add New from here, and I'll get all the themes in a WordPress repository. I can install any theme by just going to this theme and clicking on Install. Then we can activate this theme, and I can search based on keywords. Searching for a business related templates. Here is a template based on the keyword business. These are all the templates. I can install it or preview this theme. Here is a preview of this theme, and I'm just closing. I can preview all these themes, and based on our interest I can install it. I'll install one of these themes. I'll install this business epic. Just click on install. It's installing, and this will create a new directory inside themes directory. Under WP content we'll find a business epic directory. If I reload this themes directory here, I'll see a directory that is a business epic, and if I go to this themes directory, I can see this theme, and we can activate this theme. To activate it, just click on activate button. It's that simple. I'll activate this theme, and we have to configure this theme to look like this image. For that we have to do configuration options. Yes, I'm just closing this customizer. Here you can see the template, and to make this template look like this one, I have to add images, create widgets. I have to do all those things. And next we can install a theme by uploading a theme. If it's a paid theme purchased from other sources like theme forest or some other sources, you'll get a zip file. I have to choose a zip file from here, and I can install a theme. I'll show you theme by downloading it from theme forest. I'll log into my account. I have a few themes on this account. If you want to purchase the templates, use my username as a referral. And, I'm going to downloads. I'm using this. I'll use this Sahifa theme, installable WordPress files only. I'm just downloading this theme. I'll drag it here. I'll click on install now. It will create a directory after installation. It has to upload this zip file into server, and it has to extract it. %60 done, 61. It will take a couple of seconds. It's a simple theme, and these are the two ways to install a themes. If it's on a WordPress repository, you can search the theme with a name and can install it. Otherwise, I have to download the zip file of a WordPress theme, upload it here, and click on install button. It's uploaded. And it's extracting. Theme installed successfully. If I go back to themes, I can see this theme, and we can live preview this theme. This is a live preview version of this theme. I'm just closing it. Here is a theme just now installed. It's a paid theme, and if I reload this directory here, I should see this directory. Here it's showing this directory. I'll see about this theme in a later sections. In the next video, we'll see more about customize option for our default theme, that is 2017. I'll activate this theme again. In next video, I'll show you how we can customize this theme to our requirement based on all the options available in this theme. In paid themes, we'll get a lot of options